Hello lovers, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will be unboxing some food items I got from market. So if today is the first day you're coming across my YouTube channel, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and become part of this family. Okay, so these food items you're seeing here worth 300k, so stay tuned and watch from the beginning to the end. Thank you so much. Let's unbox together. This one is fish. This one is fish. Let me bring it out. Show you before. This one is fish. I think I'm going to be using this kind of fish. I bought a lot of fish. This one is fish.
Yes, mommy. Yes, mommy. Mommy.
This one is fish. Fish.
Yes. Yeah. Mommy, good. Mommy.
And this one is stockfish.
Mommy. Yes, mommy.
So this one is stockfish head. Stockfish head. Stockfish. This one is fish. Fish. So fish. Fish. I bought a lot of fishes. Like a lot of fish. This one is also fish. I think these ones are small sizes, but not that too small. Look at fish. She's on stock fish. Fish. Crayfish. 1 penta of crayfish. Another 1 penta of crayfish. Yeah. Okay, this one is stock fish. This one is stock fish. This is 25,000 naira stock fish. This is another stock fish. Stock fish head. This is stock fish. This one is grounded egusi. So I'm not going to open it. With grounded ofo, abi ashi. This one is beans, honey beans. Okay, this one is honey beans, 1 pence. This is another honey beans, 1 pence. Hey, my God! So this is it. Oh, this is it. Oh, this is it. Oh. This is it.